Nice. Lovely setup.
Oh.
Pick that up.
लोगों पार्किंग मिला क्या तुम लोगों को
या
नीचे?
पार्किंग हमको मिला,
हमको तो-
बट ट्रैफिक बहुत लगा।
या हमको भी आते आते देर हो गया बिकॉज ऑफ द
So
ट्रैफिक.
much rains, no? तो traffic तो
वो तो है, पुणे में you can't expect anything
But
else.
guys, there is so much of positivity out of everything that is happening around.
Yeah, even my Instagram is fully filled with DMs because of the announcement that we did today morning.
हाँ, इतने दिनों से Instagram पे जा रहा है 4 जुलाई, जुलाई 4, everybody was asking
हम
कब
लोगों
क्या
को लगा
कर रहे
कुछ
हो?
इवेंट कर रहे हैं हम लोग,
कब बुला रहे हो?
कब बुला रहे हैं, कह रहे हैं।
फाइनली उनको पता चल गया है कि स्टूडियो अनटाइटल्ड और स्पेस अनफोल्ड एक है और अभी अटेलियर नोवा बन गया है.
Yes.
Two companies have merged, and now we are Atelier Nova.
और इतने सवाल, ये क्यों, पहले आपका प्रैक्टिस एक साथ था, अभी इससे क्या करोगे?
Yeah, but there are many positive.
Yeah, a lot of
vibes.
positivity,
Yeah.
yeah. So मुझे इतने सारे फोन्स आए सुबह से।
हाँ.
एक तो वेल विशर्स थे, एवरीवन विश्ड, बहुत वेल विशेस दिए हम चारों को और पूरे टीम को। ऑफ कोर्स क्वेश्चंस थे, क्योंकि इस तरीके का मर्जर उन्होंने शायद देखा नहीं है या उतना बहुत कॉमन है नहीं।
एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया.
एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कि ऐसा होगा, क्योंकि दोनों सक्सेसफुल प्रैक्टिसेस। फिर कुछ लोगों का क्वेश्चन था कि क्यों कर रहे हो, क्या जरूरत है। देयर आर डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस एंड आई वाज हैप्पी, मतलब
Happy to answer.
हैप्पी टू आंसर कि क्या अपना विजन है। आई थॉट कि एक कुछ तो कॉमन प्लेटफॉर्म पे हम चारों ने आके डिस्कस करना चाहिए। एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि आज सीधी बात ने हमको यहाँ पे बुलाया एंड दे गिव दिस
Yeah.
प्लेटफॉर्म एंड आवर फर्स्ट पब्लिक
What better platform than CD?
Yes,
Yes.
that we can
Individual
explain it.
explanation से-
Yeah,
Exactly.
we can explain to everybody कि ये क्यों हो रहा है, what is the background behind it, हमारा जर्नी अब तक कैसे रहा, हमारा साथ में जर्नी अब तक कैसा रहा, और आगे का हम लोग क्या सोच रहे हैं। तो आई फील ये परफेक्ट प्लेटफॉर्म है। हम लोग यहाँ पे सब कुछ अनप्लान, कुछ प्रिपेयर करके नहीं आए हैं, और जो अपना रियल फीलिंग्स है पिछले
Yeah.
We'll express it.
ऐसा कुछ महीनों का और सालों का, हम लोग जस्ट बात कर सकते हैं ओपनली,
सीधी बात कर.
सीधी बात कर सकते हैं। यस यस
बहुत लोगों को पता नहीं कि अपन we are working together since last 5-6 years.
Yes.
And we have
Very less
worked on.
people know this.
Yes.
But it's a very good thing, and it's very special day today कि अपने को after working for so many years together, finally we have got a name.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We kind of made it
Collab.
official.
Yeah.
Our own identity.
Yeah.
One can't be
One
the
identity,
Atelier
yeah.
Nova.
That's good. But I'll tell Nikhilesh, I'll tell you, जो 15 साल में हम लोगों ने जो रिलेशंस बनाए क्लाइंट्स के साथ ना, वो आज एक 3 से 4 घंटे में एकदम सामने आ गया मेरे। मतलब लाइक एवरीबडी कॉल्ड, जो वेल विशर्स थे, एकदम पहला प्रोजेक्ट हम लोगों ने किया था। आई एम श्योर कि तुम लोगों को भी
Yeah.
वो कॉल्स आए रहेंगे।
सब लोगों के मन में there was a common question by this merger, and when they got to know that we are merging up with a company with 2 architects, and how this can help the market and how architects and interior designers can work together, that was a very common question.
Yeah, and a lot of them have this doubt also कि आप लोगों का how is the synergy going to work, how the working style is going to work.
Yeah. So when it comes to like architects and interior designers, like you said, there's always this kind of an unsaid rule कि architects and interior designers साथ में काम कर सकते हैं क्या? क्योंकि एक अनसेड रूल है कि हु इज सुप्रीम, वो क्या है, इन दोनों के ईगो क्लैशेस नहीं हो गए क्या?
So now, how can we work in sync together? उससे ज्यादा हम लोग वो करते आ रहे हैं पिछले 5 सालों से। Various projects on which we have worked together, we have experienced that. I'll not lie. Initial first project में थोड़ी difficulties आई, because of course 4 different minds coming together. We had our individual identities as Untitled and Unfold. Of course, initially थोड़ा समझने को तकलीफ हुआ, because everyone was in their own zone. We wanted to impress our clients in best possible way. But I think in this 4 or 5 years, we figured out that how to work this better. What are our limitations, where you guys can step in and make it better? What are your limitations and we can step in and make it better? We unknowingly and unsaidly drew a line which we both didn't cross. So there was a clear understanding between both the scopes where you guys were very clear, okay, this is the scope of Unfold. And we were very clear, this is the scope of Untitled. And I think that clear understanding led to this.
And I think all four of us has own strengths.
Yeah.
And we identified that, and that helped us. I won't say कि weaknesses है ही नहीं,
Correct.
सब में होते हैं.
Right.
पर हम अगर मेरा weakness किसी का strength है
Right.
तो वो कितना beneficial है.
Right.
And the best part is that because we know each other since, I think, decades now, and that has helped in our profession as well.
Yeah, we can see it through our upcoming projects. Like that project that we are doing for a well-known developer
Yeah.
in Pune. एक जो outcome आने वाला है उसका, that is going to be on a different scale, boss. I feel.
Definitely.
It is going to create a statement in Pune.
Yes.
So,
So this is how this ecosystem is going to work, right?
Yeah.
Because that's how we will be able to deliver the best possible to
Yeah.
the market.
Right.
But I feel that, see, in the past projects, like we have worked in combination. Maybe me and Nikhilesh were actually involved in the project. Me and Utkarsha were involved, or Utkarsha and Akanksha were involved. So we were involved in the limited parts. This one project, which is soon going to get launched and it will be out, 4 of us are actively involved together. And I think we 4 are bringing some different qualities and our strengths on table. And that is where I want to draw this attention about that. Nikhilesh, I would like to firstly appreciate, which I didn't do it earlier. I couldn't get chance to appreciate that earlier because I could see that it was very difficult to crack this client, to be very honest. Of course, for the scale of the project, looking at us, we are very young, though we have experience of 14, 15 years. And there were different designers in line which were also pitching for that kind of a project. And I really appreciate the way you cracked this, the way you pitched to them, the way you managed to show our strengths together as 4 partners, together as 2 studios, because at that time we were not Atelier Nova, we were pitching as Untitled and Unfold. And you did it really nicely. So I wanted to understand, because I'm not good at that. And I would just want to understand, how did you manage to do that and how did you manage to get that on board?
yeah, like you said, it was a difficult deal to crack, but coming together to collaborate on this such a big scale of project, ultimately, back of the mind, I had that clarity that yes, we have the strength to do that.
Okay.
We have the expertise to do that. Maybe if it would have been just 2 minds, the scenario would have been something very different. But when we are 4 minds coming together with 4 different expertise, I think it was not much of a hassle to portray that in front of the client and to show him that what we can deliver, what kind of experience we have, what kind of qualifications that we come together with, and what we can get to the table for the client. So looking at all these things, I think it was just a matter of a few words for me for my client to gain that confidence.
And I think a single company giving a number of solutions.
Yes.
So for them it is easy. They
Yeah.
don't have to deal with different people.
True.
The same thing.
So, and we like you said, yes, we are getting different strengths to the table. Like I would also like to say that the way that you are doing the project management, the way that you are handling the architecture, structural design, that is also a different strength that we are getting to the table.
So I think we are showing the design confidence also, and we are showing the executional confidence also, that sometimes the designs can be managed. We can very well design it, but
Yes.
to execute in that quality and with the exactly what you are showing in the 3D render
Right.
and execute it that.
Yeah, so the execution part is very important.
Yeah.
And to execute that, we need a proper system in place.
Absolutely.
And that's where she comes in, I think.
Yeah.
So to like get those systems properly incorporated in our ecosystem,
Right.
in our firm, and what she's done it with her qualifications and her experience, I think
Exactly.
Yeah.
Being an architect, NID pass out, furniture designer, and then IIM.
Yeah. So
So
The management, I think, is very perfect. What she's got to the table and what systems we found in our firm.
Yeah.
Once we decided to collaborate and merge together, the first thing that we did was to set these systems.
Right.
I feel these systems are a key to our core working strategy.
Right.
So yes, it's the individual. What do you think? I think that's what I admire the most about you.
So I feel that any organization without systems is firefighting, is struggling.
Right.
Okay. So without a proper system in place, there is no soul in the company. There is no soul in whatever you're doing. You're still a freelancer. So if you want to form a company, you need to have systems in place. You need to have processes in place. We are no more going to be into a studio system. We have to, the whole idea of this merger is also that we are going to come out of the studio system and create a corporate company.
I think
So if we have to move towards a journey of achieving something really huge,
big. Yeah.
so that needs a strong base.
Yeah.
So the planning has to be really strong there.
Yeah.
We are very good designers. We are very creative in our work, in our whatever skilled we are. We are very good in our field. Everything is okay. But this side, which nobody thinks, and being architects and interior designers, we are never taught
To be a
to
business.
think about this side.
Yeah,
About
probably we
business.
are not really good businessmen at a time.
Yeah.
Our creative
We are
mind
never
take over.
thought about this.
Exactly. Happens.
I think, and that's where the Akanksha's role coming in picture, that we were both the practices were really good in terms of the design firms or the studio firms, but when we are merging and planning to make it big, I'm sure the number of projects are going to increase, the scale of the projects is going to increase, and we cannot go haphazardly. The way the studios works with very person-centric approach, we wanted a system-oriented approach in the way forward, and I think Akanksha's role is going to play a pivotal role in achieving these milestones, where in spite of increase in the number of projects and the scale of the project, the things are falling in place in a right way.
So if I say that we have a vision to be a huge company tomorrow, I have to be ready to handle that much of business. So I'm just making ourselves ready.
Right.
We can't wait for the opportunity to come to our door and then we start thinking
No.
about it.
Correct.
This discipline is going to definitely help us to grow. And I'm pretty sure a system always works. It always makes you more systematic, more organized. And see, we are not working individually, right? We have to deal with a number of people. We have our staff, we have contractors, we have vendors. So this system is for all and for hassle-free, what I can say, function.
I was about to come to that point. See, Utkarsha, the systems ultimately are driven by people. Okay, the people are going to execute that system, and our staff needs to respect those system and function according to it. At the same time, our contractors and the clients, and I can see that your core role is coming in picture there, where you are able to manage the staff, vendors, and client very well. You are having that good relation. So
In fact, she does that very well. I mean, she has that hold on the people
right.
very well. She can understand each one's skill, each one's strength, and how to use them, how to use their strengths. So that also gives confidence to those people
Right.
being in the company. So that is her skill, where she can handle the operations in a very hassle-free way. How do you do it?
First thing is I communicate with each and every one of them because communication is the key for me. When I understand them in a correct way, it helps me to carve out their role because I am expecting X amount from you, but that is not your area of interest. You are good in something else. So how can I utilize that for the company? That works well for you also and for me also. And the most important part is that you cannot be tired of teaching or educating your staff or contractors or vendors. because this is again one ecosystem which is working with hand in hand. So I think that people management is something makes it very easy to place the system in place.
I think I've witnessed this in multiple projects. We can't just name few, but this one project what we did in Singapore, the client was sitting in Singapore, and it's a nice apartment. The interiors we were doing for them, and I could see the role of both of them, because see there was one challenge about somebody sitting so many miles far in a different time zone, and if the systems were not placed at our end, with the what processes to follow, what comes next, what kind of drawings to go, what kind of selections to go, it would have ended very haphazardly, I would say. And at the same time, I could see that Utkarsha kept talking to the client, kept her communication going on, and she just made sure that everything is perfect. So if there are any lapses at our end, she could just figure out beforehand and just could get it implemented at our end.
So
What
I
do you
think
think?
it's all about that. After being into this industry for so many years, we can easily pinpoint that what are the loops in the market. No, finding those loops and giving a solution for that. That is where you win the game.
Right.
So it is not just like she said, experience. So it's not just 15 years of experience now, right? It's 15 plus 15. Yeah. So yeah. So if you look at that, it's a big experience that we get on the
Then I would say it's 15. Then it should be
yeah.
60 years of it.
Exactly. So that is what we are getting to the table now.
Yeah.
So that I think is our biggest strength.
So निखिलेश, बहुत सारे लोगों के दिमाग में एक सवाल रहेगा कि आप लोग मर्ज हो रहे हो, बड़ी कंपनी फॉर्म हो रही है, एटिल नोवा इज नाउ ऑन द टेबल, पर उसमें हमारा क्या बेनिफिट है? Of course, किसी के दिमाग, हर एक के दिमाग में एक सवाल रहेगा.
राइट, बराबर है. हम तो हमारा मर्जर कर लिए, क्लाइंट के लिए क्या है उसका फायदा? इफ यू कम टू थिंक ऑफ इट, है ना, क्लाइंट का भी फायदा है. व्हेन वी आर मर्जिंग टुगेदर, देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. जैसे हमने ऑलरेडी वी हैव स्पोकन अबाउट आवर एक्सपर्टीज, व्हाट वी गेट टू द टेबल, एवरीथिंग इज देयर, बट वी आर ऑल्सो शेयरिंग एन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नाउ, राइट? सो जो वो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कॉस्ट है हमारी, वो भी तो कम हो गई है. एंड अल्टीमेटली कहीं ना कहीं तो वो उससे क्लाइंट बेनिफिट करेंगे, डेफिनेटली.
Absolutely.
राइट.
So infrastructure costs, like we are sharing infrastructure, we are sharing resources. There are so many things we are sharing which अगर ये अलग अलग एंटिटीज रहते हैं, अलग अलग फर्म्स रहते हैं, तो वो डबल एस्टेब्लिशमेंट कॉस्ट जो रहता है वो पूरा मर्ज हो रहा है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स एज यू सेड राइट कि वो हर एक उसका कहीं ना कहीं बेनिफिट क्लाइंट को होगा.
बट इसका मतलब ये तो नहीं कि क्लाइंट को या मार्केट में ऐसा मैसेज जा रहा है कि हम हमारी फीस कम कर रहे हैं.
नहीं, इट्स नॉट लाइक हम सस्ते हो रहे हैं, बट
ऐसा तो नहीं लग रहा है.
नहीं, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. Interior designers and architects working collaboratively will ultimately reduce a lot of indirect costs
राइट
in the project.
राइट.
बहुत सारी चीजें हम लोग पहले ही कंसिडर करेंगे जो लेटर स्टेज में इंटीरियर्स में कंसिडर होती है. एंड देन वी गो बैक टू द स्ट्रक्चर, वी स्टार्ट टचिंग द स्ट्रक्चर, एंड उसमें फिर प्रॉब्लम हो जाते हैं कि ये क्यों बंद किया, यहाँ से क्यों सर्विसेज जा रहे, एंड देन वी फाइट विद आर्किटेक्ट, देन क्लाइंट इज इन द मिडिल. ये हैसल फ्री हो जाएगा हमारे
क्लाइंट नहीं होगा,
नहीं होगा.
एंड ट्रस्ट मी, ये फीस कम करने से बहुत बड़ा फायदा है.
एग्जैक्टली.
Yeah. So I think that is what we are getting to the table.
बहुत सारे लोगों को पता नहीं है कि हम कितने सालों से काम कर रहे हैं साथ में. It's been more than 5-6 years, almost 6 years, I think, that we are working together on multiple projects.
Coming to think of it, I'll cut you off over here. Coming to think of it, yes, I have got this in a gist क्योंकि हमने सुबह collaboration merger जब से अनाउंस किया है, I have been getting a lot of DMs and lot of questions कि ये merger के बारे में, and I think if I'm allowed to read it out from my mobile, I would like to read out a few questions and we can maybe give some answers.
सीधी बात है.
Okay.
यहाँ पे कुछ भी कर सकते हो.
कुछ भी
कर सकते हैं. So yeah. So I think we can just read out a few and let's.
I'll have to check my phone.
Yeah.
I've also got few.
If you want.
Okay. So
अच्छे वाले पूछना.
yeah. So guys, I think let me read out the most
Choose your questions.
yeah
Choose your questions wisely.
the most obvious
Let him
one.
talk, guys. Let him talk.
Yeah, please. The most obvious one, I think. Now that the four of you are coming together, will it affect your individual identities?
No, yaar. I don't think so. Because 7-8 years back, when you were already running this business, you were established, and I joined you. That time also people suggested us that don't work together being husband and wife because you will take your work home and then there'll be clashes.
Oh, we have also got this kind of,
Very common.
yeah, very common.
पर उसी टाइम पे अपने को पता चला था, इट हेल्प्ड अस
Yeah.
कि कैसे वो क्लासेस को अवॉइड किया जाए, सो दैट आवर रोल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज आर डिफाइंड, सो दैट वी डोंट इंटरफेयर इन ईच अदर्स वर्क और डिपार्टमेंट्स. तो मुझे ऐसे नहीं लग रहा है कि हम लोग कुछ आइडेंटिटी लूज आउट कर रहे हैं. आई फील दैट वी आर रियली एलिवेटिंग आवरसेल्व्स. द विजन वी हैव फॉर आवर कंपनी is possible if we are in collaboration.
Yes.
Because all four of us has our own strengths.
Yeah.
अपनी अपनी एक्सपर्टी है और एक दूसरे के लिए हमारे ओपिनियंस हो सकते हैं
Yeah.
पर रिस्पेक्ट है. तो इसलिए एक ईगो क्लैशेस या
Yeah, and I think we are working since last 6 years together. We've worked on so many projects. We've completed like more than 12 projects now together. And जो ego clashes होने थे वो हो गए हैं, हो चुके हैं. I think अभी we are past that.
Yeah.
So
और 6 साल से काम कर रहे हैं. बहुत लोगों को नहीं पता, तुम लोग तो एक दूसरे को स्कूल टाइम से जानते हो, यू गाइस आर स्कूल में. हम एक दूसरे को 7-8 साल से जानते हैं. तो वी वर फ्रेंड्स फर्स्ट.
Yeah.
And then, because of this, the collaboration came and we are business partners.
Correct.
So it is tried and tested amongst both of you that, okay, you both have that synergy as husband and wife. You guys are just fitting perfect in your roles and it's successfully executed in amongst, like in so many years, kind of.
Right.
Same thing has happened at our end as well. And vice versa, like interrelation, if you say that, okay, we have really worked well with each other as well.
yes.
So both of you and us. So we have done some humongous good projects, on huge projects we have worked together and it has come out really well. And there was, I think there is not a single point where we have felt any ego amongst us while we were working.
Yes.
Do you want to read out something?
Yes, there's one kind of serious question, but I would like to take that. So now you are 4 partners. So what responsibilities and roles each one is going to play in this new firm?
Yeah, so we each have our own individual identities. We each have our own roles defined. And I think that is how we are going to function as a team now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Keeping our core skill as a designer intact.
Yes. I think we should take this platform to express our gratitude to all the viewers.
Yeah.
And like, we will need your support henceforth. As Atelier Nova, now that we are one, we'll need more support from our viewers, our clients, our well-wishers, everyone. We'd like to also take this opportunity to thank Seedhi Baat for giving us this platform to have such a great conversation and keep our individual points together, since now we are coming together as a collaboration and forming one entity.
Yes. And I would like to use this platform to thank all the previous clients of Studio Space Unfold who have helped me and Akanksha tremendously. They have supported us a lot in last 14 years. And now we are hoping that the Atelier Nova, our new venture, will get the same support. And we would continue to collaborate on different projects in future also. So thank you so much.
So, we as the Atelier Nova team are really ambitious for this, regarding this company. We want to take this company, this merger, to a new heights and showcase something exceptional to the world. And our design, our projects will speak for itself.
I think this is the perfect platform we got to show our gratitude and to thank each and everyone who was a part of this journey. Our clients, our teammates, our contractors, our vendors. So you guys were there in support to us, and this is the reason we have achieved whatever we have achieved till now. So this is a new beginning, a new journey where Atelier Nova comes in a picture, and a new beginning where we need your support and wishes and your blessings for our future. So thank you so much, and I'm really overwhelmed with the response.
Yeah.
जितना बोलेंगे उतना कम
कम
है.
है.
I think we can talk forever on this.
Yes.
And I think we after a few days or few months we should get a chance to talk also about the progress that we have done so far, kind of.
Yes.
So and how everything is going.
Yeah.
So I think
It was fun.
It was fun. Yeah.
I think जो हम 1-1.5 साल से बात कर रहे थे वो कुछ मिनटों में हम कंक्लूड कर पाए.
Conclude कर पाए.
Great, guys.
And finally this Atelier Nova is
Yeah.
Company is born.
born.
Merger has happened.
Right.
and it
And
is
we are all
out in the world.
Yeah.
It's out in the world.
Yeah. This is a message to the world that yes, now we have arrived as Atelier Nova.
Yes,
We have
We have arrived.
Chalo.
It was nice.
Yeah.
Thank you.